we talk about some of the products that you're using in your hair? Bet, let's. Now, before we get started, this is not about a specific product, so stay on task. Okay, don't be over here roaming in class. Let's say you picked this up about a year ago and it's now in your cupboard and you're waiting for it to use on your whatever wash and go set, whatever, who cares? This is especially for those of you who are product junkies. You're welcome. What I want you to start doing is turning that bottle and looking for this right here. If you'll notice, it's an open container with 12M on there. That stands for 12 months. Now, for some lines, it can be longer because there can be preservatives and things like that in your formula, but because a lot of people are not wanting parabens and phthalates and all that type of stuff in there, you're seeing some of the shelf life can decrease on certain products. You should be aware of what they are. You'll notice a lot of products now, when you open them up and you have like a little seal here, when you break that seal, that introduces oxygen to your formula and will immediately start weakening some of the agents and things in there. That's going to kind of start that clock. And before you ask, I know someone's going to, yes, this one here is rather hydrating. I don't recommend pairing it with every gel because some of them beat up. If you want to check and make sure it gets along with yours, put a little bit of it in your hand and then put your gel of choice, swirl them around. If it beads up in your hand, it's going to beat up in your hair. You're welcome. Now, the nice thing about a product like this is that you can easily squeeze it out. So your fingers aren't really going in and contaminating the formula like you would with a lot of other products, like let's say in a jar like this here. If I'm digging into something like this, the bacteria that are on my hands is constantly getting in there. So if you've got hair that's getting in there, if you are dipping your hands in there, they're not clean, whatever the case may be, you're introducing bacteria into this every single time. So we have to not only keep in mind when we open and introduce oxygen, but we're regularly introducing new bacteria to this. Now, this is incredibly important, especially if you have scalp issues, that you are making sure that you're not using things years beyond their shelf life, because number one, the bacteria in there is still growing. And we don't need any issues on your scalp, especially if we already have scalp issues. Number two, you're losing some of the efficacy of the products. And sometimes those things are on there because certain products morph and change over time to where they're not the same thing anymore. This is why you're seeing more and more brands that are starting to put that little film on there that you can peel off. A lot of times when I'm in the store, I'll literally open and see, has the seal been broken? Because I don't want a product that someone's already dug their finger into in the store. Half of y'all don't wash your hands. I saw y'all nasty asses during COVID. And before somebody asks, yes, this one here is good too. It is nice and hydrating. It doesn't have a strong hold, but it does give a nice shine. And so if you're looking for shine, definition without the crunch of a standard gel, this pink lustrous gel is not bad. Now, this is especially important for people who are product junkies, because I know you have millions of things up underneath your cabinet that you've just been waiting to dig into, because every time you see something new, you just got to go ahead and get you that new something. And baby, I've got tons of stuff up under here because I'm always trying out new things. So when I tell you, it helps out, especially if you know you're not the one that's going to use the same thing over and over and over again, that when you open it, just go ahead and write the date that you opened it on the bottom of the container. And that way you can easily know, okay, how long is this good for? So I'm not reintroducing that same bacteria back to scalps, all of that. So you don't have any issues with that. It helps out massively, especially if you're not one of those that uses stuff until it's gone and then goes and buys something else. So for product junkies, you have been warned. I'll talk to you later. Love you.